tire. Losing the tire and the rim. Anyways, that's pretty good. I hurt a little bit. Anyways, see what happens today, people. Uh-oh. There's my tire. Hold the door. Hold the door, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Shoot. Second floor. Got some work to do. Where are you going? Second floor. Second floor. That's what I'm talking about. Sorry. Got work to do. Second floor. It's taking so long. Gee. Good stuff. Good music. I like it. Anyways. 13. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Anyways, I'm a carpenter. Or sometimes, I guess. I work on solar panels, stuff like that. I think. Still good music. Sounds familiar. Anyways, wait a minute. Were these windows here before? The heck? Shoot! People! Where'd the buttons go? Oh, shoot! People! There's too many buttons. What's this one do?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special news bulletin. The character we know as Dirk was created by Derek and is not a real person. Portions of Derek's life are implemented in Dirk's character.
Going too fast, people. Going too fast. Way too fast. Shoot! Oh, this is gonna last. Oh no. Shoot! There's too many buttons. What's this one do?
It was at this moment that he knew.
Bueller. Here.
Gotta get that fucking tool and spit on that thing.
Hey! Let me out!
A wild pitch. That one goes into the seats. Look out.
Al! Jerome! Help! 13! Where you going? Shoot! Hello? Anybody here? Shoot! What the heck is this? Looks like a spaceship. The heck? The sun? Hey! Anybody here? It's Dirk. Here to do some repairs, I think. Got my tools. The right tools, it's easy. Anyways. Dirk! Dirk, did you get all that?
Yeah, get it.
The sun? Hey! Anybody here? It's Dirk. Here to do some repairs, I think. Got my tools.
Yeah, get it.
Good job, buddy. You filmed it happen. Look at Dirk here for the repairs. Anybody?